Hello everyone and welcome back to Shoplista. Today, I am going to be showing you how to make bean stew. The beans I chose for this dish were pinto beans. Pinto beans have many benefits for your body. You can check out the link to the short I made in the description box down below. This recipe has a lot of vegetables and great flavor. It is quick and easy and can be paired with rice, quinoa, lettuce tacos, wraps, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. Without further ado, let's make this dish. The ingredients for this dish are thyme, red and yellow peppers, tomato paste for thickness, cilantro, green onions, half of a white onion, 2 cloves of garlic, a spoonful of liquid seasoning, and half of chicken flavoring. Now, we are going to add olive oil so that the ingredients won't stick to the pan. Now, we are going to add water. Now, we are adding the veggie mixture to the pot of pinto beans. The pinto beans rested in a bowl of water overnight, then were brought to a boil, and were lightly simmered for 2 hours prior. Look how beautiful these beans are turning out. They look so delicious. Once all ingredients are fully cooked and incorporated, you can add the beans to a serving bowl to enjoy with your meal of choice. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you enjoy my recipe videos and want to see more of what I do with my groceries, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I am trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers, so if you have any family or friend looking to start or continue their weight loss journey and need some cooking tips, share this video with them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.